Hi, I'm Marna, and today I'm going to show you the biggest part of my Chatty Cathy, Chatty Baby, Tiny Chatty Baby, and Tiny Chatty Brother, and of course, Charmin Chatty collection. Actually, what I had planned was dressing them for 4th of July and showing you that. Seems like I have more dolls than I realized, and I don't have enough clothes, but I'd like to show you my collection. And Chatty Cathy was produced, actually they started the talking mechanism, Mattel, back in 1958. By 1959, they had produced Chatty Cathy. I have heard and read somewhere that the sculptor that did the face for Chatty Cathy actually based that on the face of his daughter named Kathy. But I can't verify that in too many places, so whether it's true or not, I don't know. Maybe some of you collectors could leave a comment on whether that's true or not. Now, Mattel did do that with Barbie and Ken. Those were the owner's children, Barbie and her brother Ken, which became the boyfriend, and some people have a problem with that, and don't get silly with dolls. These girls over here are in a state of repair. They haven't been cleaned up or worked on yet. This one has a loose leg. This one has a leg that comes off. She needs a thorough cleaning. But for any of you collectors, she has the long blonde hair. They are very hard to come by. This girl here is very special to me. This was my doll when I guess I got this when I was 5, so it would have been, what, 1965, no, 1964. And as you can see, she has clips in her hair because I'm still working on her face. Her face had a yellowness to it, and I put that pimple cream on it, and it's really working. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the pinkness is coming back out. So very special girl. Loved her, loved her, loved her till she didn't talk anymore. Over here, I have several Chatty Cathys from several different years, as well as the Chatty Babies. Now, I have found that Chatty Babies, and I have 3, actually I have more than that, I just can't find them right now. The Chatty Babies, for me, were harder to find than the Tiny Chatty Babies. I had a Tiny Chatty Baby, and she looked like this. They also come in the brown eyes and dark hair, as you saw over there. I do have one of those. Mine, I don't think it held up as well as Chatty Cathy, so I no longer have it. I did not have the twins, the tiny Chatties, and I did not have a Charmin. As you can see, for the collectors out there, some of these are in their original clothing, some are not. I have one that is so washed out. She is as cute as can be. I really like this doll. She has both of the blonde hair, the dishwater and the platinum blonde in her hair, as well as this one does. Someone told me this one may be from Canada because she looks just a little different. Charmin Chatty used a record in her side, and I have a bunch of those too. I just wanted to do a quick showing of my collection. I kind of gathered them all up. I don't have a doll room. I wish I did. I do have other videos, and especially Meet Charmin Chatty that you may be interested in. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.